Struggling to organize your thoughts or brainstorm your next big project? What if an AI could build a complete, beautiful mind map for you in just seconds? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at EdrawMind, a collaborative mind mapping and outlining tool that has captured the attention of over 25 million users worldwide. Whether you are a student, a project manager, or a content creator, keeping your ideas organized can be a chaotic task. EdrawMind aims to solve that by blending traditional mind mapping with powerful, modern AI features. Let's dive into how you can use it to supercharge your brainstorming in 2026. The standout feature here is the AI-powered mind mapping. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can use their free AI generator on the go directly on their website. You simply type in a prompt, and the AI instantly generates a mind map, timeline, fishbone diagram, or organizational chart. But it doesn't stop there. EdrawMind also features specialized tools like an AI org chart maker, an AI presentation maker, and even an AI YouTube summarizer. If you have existing documents, you can use the PDF to mind map or text to mind map features to instantly visualize heavy text. Beyond the AI, EdrawMind is a fully featured collaborative workspace. You can easily switch between a clean outline view and a visual mind map with a single button. If you need to present your ideas, you can style your map with colors and images and turn your talking points into a dynamic slideshow in seconds. Plus, you can collaborate with your team in real time, choosing exactly who gets to view or edit your workspace. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the pro side, the sheer variety of AI generation tools, from slide creators to YouTube summarizers, makes it incredibly versatile. It's also highly accessible with a free online trial. As for the cons or user feedback, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have a verified database of independent user reviews to share with you today. However, with over 25 million users globally, the platform is well established. We highly recommend trying the free online version yourself to see if the AI generation fits your specific workflow. Overall, if you want to speed up your brainstorming and turn chaotic thoughts into structured, presentable plans, EdrawMind is absolutely worth checking out. Head over to EdrawMind.com to try their free AI generator on the go today. What do you think about using AI to map out your ideas? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.